This could be the difference between the 75 and 95 in maths. Save this video and let's start with 100 questions every topper solves. Question number 62. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the water current. So let's start. Let's assume that the speed of the boat in still water is x and speed of the water is y. Now understand, यहाँ पर देखो downstream का मतलब क्या है कि when boat and water are going in the same direction. जब same direction में जाएंगे तो दोनों की speed क्या हो जाएगी, add हो जाएगी, ठीक है. So downstream speed will be x plus y and upstream में क्या होता है, they are going in opposite direction. तो उनकी speed का difference होगा वहाँ पे. So upstream speed will be boat speed minus water speed, x minus y. Right, and speed का formula you know, speed is equal to distance upon time, then time is equal to distance upon speed. तो देखो फर्स्ट केस में क्या दिया हुआ है कि 20 किलोमीटर डाउनस्ट्रीम इन 2 आवर्स. सो टाइम इज 2 आवर्स, डिस्टेंस इज 20 किलोमीटर्स एंड डाउनस्ट्रीम जा रहे हैं तो डाउनस्ट्रीम की स्पीड कितनी होती है, x प्लस वाई. सो 2 इज इक्वल टू 20 अपॉन x प्लस वाई. सो सिंप्लीफाई, यू विल गेट x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 10. इक्वेशन नंबर 1. सेकेंड कंडीशन, 4 किलोमीटर अपस्ट्रीम इन 2 आवर्स. Time is 2 hours, distance is 4 km and upstream speed is x minus 1. So that will give you x minus y equal to 2. Equation number 2. Let's solve these two equations. So if you add the two equations, x plus x 2x minus y plus y will get cancelled. 10 plus 2 that is 12. So 2x equal to 12 will give you x is equal to 6. Okay, and if you put this value of x in equation number 1, we will get y equal to 3. So that's why speed of the boat in still water is 6 km per hour and speed of the water is 3 km per hour. That's it.